It is Monday, April 20th, 2026. You are listening to the Global Financial News Summary ahead of the European market open. Global markets are sliding back into crisis mode after a high-stakes weekend in the Middle East. Friday's rally is over, and the geopolitical landscape has shifted fast. The U.S. Navy seized an Iranian cargo vessel, and Tehran responded by closing the Strait of Hormuz. Wall Street hit record highs on Friday, but those gains are disappearing. U.S. and European futures are deep in the red as traders fear a massive energy supply shock. Brent crude jumped nearly 5% this morning. European natural gas spiked 11% on news of the new blockade.
Surprisingly, the Nikkei Japanese market and the Shanghai Composite showed some strength. This was helped by the Chinese central bank holding interest rates steady and local excitement over AI. However, the global mood remains heavy as a war premium returns to the markets. As we head into the European Open, everyone is watching the Islamabad peace talks later this evening. Market sentiment is on a knife edge. President Trump has set a Wednesday deadline for a fair deal. He is threatening a severe escalation if these negotiations fail.
On the data front, German producer prices just came in much hotter than expected. At negative 0.2%, this reinforces fears that the energy spike will stop inflation from falling. Expect European markets to open about 1.2% lower. The US dollar is holding its ground as the main safe haven. We are keeping a close eye on the British pound and the euro for signs of weakness. Political volatility in the UK is adding another layer of risk to the day. So what should you watch for next?
Canada releases inflation data today at 12:30 p.m. Later this afternoon, the European Central Bank president will give a speech. Looking into tomorrow, we get the UK unemployment rate in the morning, followed by US retail sales in the afternoon. Stay tuned as we monitor this developing situation.